I need to get my life together. I need to get my body together. Y'all can see I need to unbig my back. Hey y'all, I know I'm looking kind of rough, but not for long. I'm about to do my hair. I am gonna be doing a ponytail today, a braided ponytail. I have some gel, just kind of try to slick all of this back. So I washed my hair last night. I detangled it, brushed it back so it would be in a good position for me to start with, because y'all know trying to get all of natural hair into a ponytail when it's dry can be a challenge sometimes. So I tried to get it already in position, so once I went to actually do the ponytail, it would cooperate a lot better. Brush this back. Okay, now I'm gonna take my edge control, and this is just gonna be like reinforcement, because this freezes my hair and make sure it doesn't bunch up. The Eco Styler was good to start out with, but this edge booster really lays my hair down. Brush again and put it in a ponytail. Go back in with a little more of the edge booster once I have it in my ponytail, and slick it back. So now I'm gonna tie down my edges, kind of help let them set. Okay, so I have my real hair plaited. I just had it like this so it could dry, and I'm gonna take that out. Take my loose hair and split it into 3 mostly equal pieces. Comb each piece out. I'm gonna take some gel and smooth that on, kind of clump it together, make it more compact. All right, so I have some braiding hair here. I'm gonna take just a little bit of this hair out, that much. And ponytail. Gonna leave some of this out because I'm gonna use this to wrap the base of the ponytail. With this, section that into 3 pieces to add to my real hair. And I'm gonna start braiding down, and I'm gonna feed in some more of the braiding hair a little at a time. Gotta braid real tight. Feed in some hair. Okay, and then this piece here, I'm just gonna wrap it around. So y'all remember when I was telling y'all, I think it was in my last vlog video, about how I was doing a cleanse and how I was really getting serious about my weight loss, because it's almost been a year, y'all. It's almost been a year since I've had the twins. And I was like, okay, it's been enough time now. I need to start really getting for real about this. I need to get my life together. I need to get my body together. I want to get back to my size before I got pregnant, just because it's where I feel comfortable. It's where I look the best in my clothes. It's where I feel the most confident. So I really am working towards getting back to my pre-pregnancy weight. So I'm just gonna tell you about what I've been doing, what my routine is right now, because I am so sincere about this. 2025, y'all are gonna be sick of me, because I'm gonna be out here, I'm gonna be wearing all the things I already know. I'm so committed to getting back to the size that really makes me feel the best. Even though now, y'all, I'm not gonna hold you. I am so amazed at how my body has bounced back. It's not like I'm a slouch right now. I feel like I look really, really good currently. Even before I have shed the pounds, I feel like I look really, really good. It could be so much worse, I know, especially with me gaining 75 pounds during my pregnancy, with my stomach just it got so big. My belly skin has retracted so well. I am almost shocked and amazed, because when I found out I was having twins, I thought that it was curtains, okay? It was curtains for me ever being able to be in shape. So I do want to say I'm very thankful for how I look now, how my body has regulated itself to get to where it is without me having to do much. But now the baton has been passed to me. I have to actually put in the work. So right now I'm doing intermittent fasting. It is 9:08 in the morning right now, and with my intermittent fasting, I don't eat until at the earliest 12 noon. Usually by 12 I'm doing stuff, I'm working, I'm doing XYZ things, so I don't usually eat till around 1 o'clock, sometimes 2 o'clock. But I have that 12 noon thing in place just so I don't go before that. But usually how it works out on a day-to-day basis, I'm eating around 1 o'clock p.m. my first meal, and then my last meal is at bed no later than 8 p.m. That really helps with cutting down on overeating. So I started this about a week ago. So this is new, but it's actually been going pretty well. When I wake up in the morning, I feel like I have a lot of energy. I don't feel like I am starving and I am like, oh my goodness, I just want to eat. And then y'all, I just got a new kind of like a home gym setup that I am over the moon about. I'm so excited about it, y'all. It has been such a game changer. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Here they are, y'all. I got two machines from Yesoul. First of all, y'all, look at these machines. The Aesthetics Chef's Kiss. They look absolutely amazing. The bike is so comfortable and fun to ride, but my absolute favorite feature is the 21.5-inch full HD screen with free and unlimited streaming. And it's so simple to use. Just download the Yesoul app and set up your machine so it's connected to Wi-Fi, then plug in your phone and you can stream whatever you want. You can watch a show, play a movie, or listen to music while riding. And it even has 360-degree surround sound, so you get that powerful bass, creating a fully engaging workout environment. And I can get really into the ride when I put on my HIIT workout mix. I'm not even joking, y'all. This is such a vibe. This is also a really affordable alternative to Peloton, but Yesoul delivers a similar experience for less than a fifth of the price. And then my rowing machine. This is actually my first time owning a rowing machine. Didn't know much about them before, but now that I've been using this one, I'm officially hooked. I'm so impressed with how I'm able to get a full body workout with it. Each stroke activates muscles in the lower body as well as muscles in the core, upper body, and back. It is important to maintain proper posture to avoid strain on the back and ensure the feet are securely placed in the footrest for stability, but the learning curve for safe use of the machine was very quick for me. And it features a foldable rail, so you can place it neatly in a corner or against a wall when it's not in use, which makes it ideal if you're in a place with limited space. And then both of these machines, they have 360-degree rotation and adjustable visual angles, so you can move it around and still be able to watch whatever is on the screen if you are doing floor exercises, for example. And using both the exercise bike and rowing machine together has created such a well-rounded daily fitness routine. After my workouts, I feel like my entire body is getting more toned and healthier. Y'all, I'm so hyped about my new machines. I just got them a week ago. I've been using them every day since they were delivered, and I've already noticed an increase in my endurance, an increase in my strength. I feel really good, so invigorated. After I do my workouts, I just know it's going to help me to crush my weight loss goals. These workout machines are top tier. I have been enjoying them immensely, y'all, especially with the screen. I can't get over how amazing the screen is. The sound system, everything is just so good. So you can enjoy fun cardio with Yesoul too. They've hooked me up, y'all. They're giving a $100 discount. Y'all can check out all of those products by going to the link below in the description box. Thank me later and then watch me as I transform. Oh, let's do a weight check. I haven't weighed myself in a minute. Let's get the before weight so we can know what we're working with. Let me grab my scale. Let's see. All right, we'll just round this to 150. So my starting weight before I got pregnant was 130. I gained 75 pounds with the twins and I went up to 205 and now I'm 150. I want to get back to 130 pounds. So we have 20 pounds to lose. And then this is my starting midsection. I really want to work on toning up and tightening up my stomach. My abs are trying to like peek through, but we need to tighten it up because it's a little jiggly still. From the side, y'all can see I need to unbig my back some. But like I said, this is with pretty much no exercise, but I've hit a plateau and now I need some assistance. So I know that my new Yesoul machines are gonna help me to tone and tighten. So yeah, this is my before. Take a good look because she won't be here long. And yeah, I'm really excited for a new slimmer, trimmer me. I don't foresee myself slacking off, but I'm sharing this with y'all too because I want to help to keep myself accountable. So I feel like if I tell y'all what I'm doing, then I have to stick with it. At least 1 hour a day of exercise. I do my intermittent fasting until noon at the earliest, you know, with the 6-hour eating window. Oh, I'm not drinking any juice. I'm not drinking any alcohol. I don't drink soda, so that's out automatically. So I'm drinking mostly just plain water or water with lemon. And yeah, I think that's basically my routine for right now. I'm doing this for the entire month of December, see where I am January 1st, and then I'll reevaluate and see what I want to do moving forward.